Smart automation, better business. Learn how to optimize your business with Solved.
Hello, everyone, and welcome. My name is Connor Sandstrom, and I am one of our Revenue Cloud consultants here at Solved. And we are going to continue to dive into our videos going through how to use Revenue Cloud and what we can do to automate your business. Today, we are going to go over how we can use ramp deals or products to sell free months when setting up our quotes. Let's jump in. Okay, first thing we need to do is make sure our org is set up and ready to handle ramp deals. We'll do this by going into Setup and finding our revenue settings. If we scroll down, we will get to ramp deals. We're going to want to make sure that this is enabled. This is going to let us create all the records that we need and allow us to use ramp deals on our products. Next, let's take a look at our product. I've created a test ramp product, and it's very important that we have created a product selling model and are using the product selling model option of term-based. We won't be able to use ramping if we are using evergreen. So I've identified a term-based yearly. I've also created our price book entry and I've assigned it to a category. Now I'll scroll up and let's take a look at our product ramp segments. You'll see here I have two product ramp segments. One is yearly, and we can take a look at this. We have selected our product selling model and given it a segment type of yearly. The other one, and this is what's going to allow us to do our free trial or free months, is we're again using the same selling model, but we're doing a segment type of free trial. And we've identified a duration type of months and a trial duration of 1. This is what's going to allow us to say for X number of months, it is free. Next up, to make sure we can add this to our quote, we are going to make sure we update our decision tables. We can sync pricing data, and if needed, we need to rebuild our index. To do these items, again, we'll go back to Setup. And if we look in our pricing discovery settings, we'll be able to find our item where we're able to create a full index. If you click this, you'll be able to see and you have the option to do a full rebuild, or you can use a partial rebuild. Next up, we also need to make sure we do our Salesforce pricing. We go to our Salesforce pricing setup, and here we are able to find our sync pricing data. We'll want to go ahead and sync that. That will update the relevant decision tables and get us prepared so we can add this product to a quote. So once we have synced our pricing and our decision tables are refreshed, as well as our index is rebuilt, we're going to navigate to a test quote. Here, I'm going to click Browse Catalog. I have put my product in the software catalog, and I'm going to go ahead and click Next. And I put it in the productivity software category. I'm going to scroll down here to the bottom. We'll find our test ramp product. I'm going to click Add. I'll save quote. We'll scroll down here and we'll see that our product has been added at the price that we had set up. If I come and I click this drop down, I'll see ramp. I'm going to click ramp and we'll see that these new options are now available. I'm going to say that I'm selling this product for 13 months, but I want to give a month free. So I'm going to give a trial, and here I need to know the number of days in the month that I want to give for free. So I'm starting this in October. I am going to give 31 days. I'm going to click generate. You'll see here on our trial is from 10/1 to 10/31. And then on 11/01, we are going to start our year. You'll see that a discount has been applied at 100%. I'm going to go ahead and click save. And you'll see this is going to show that first segment. If I come back in and I view the ramp, you'll be able to see, just like this message is saying, the next ramp, the next segment. But this first piece is 100% discounted for the first month. And that's all it takes. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful in how to set up ramp deals using free products in Salesforce Revenue Cloud. Check out other videos on our YouTube channel, as well as check us out at solve.cloud to help find ways that you can automate your business and prepare for the future. I hope you have a great day. Thanks.
Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to help you automate your business. Please like, comment, or subscribe for more.